Hi, so I looked at the article that was titled The Influence of Geographic Isolation and the Environment on Gene Flow Among Phenotypically Diverse Lizards. This article explores how geographic isolation and the environment influence gene flow, which is the transfer of genetic material among phenotypically diverse lizards. They hypothesized that environmental variables would be more important than isolation by distance at reducing gene flow, and these environmental differences would have a stronger role in reducing gene flow on the more environmental main islands than those on the offshore islands. To conduct this study, 280 tissue samples were taken from the tips of lizards at 39 different sites throughout the two islands. Their independent variable was the island the lizard was on, the main island versus the offshore island, and their dependent variables were genetic divergence, which was measured through single nucleotide polymorphism variation, or SNP for short, and phenotypic variation, which is the color traits that were measured by spectral reflections. The research found that there was a greater genetic divergence in isolated populations, as the genetic analysis showed that offshore island populations were more genetically distinct than the more connected main island populations. This suggests that isolation of the offshore island over time has led to increased genetic differences. Phenotypically, the color traits also differ between populations, supporting that selection in different environments may be driving divergence. Overall, the results support the hypothesis that geographic isolation and environmental differences can lead to evolutionary divergence, both genetically and physically. Thank you.